Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 7 super cute and easy ways to style your mini twists. Okay, so for the first style, we're keeping it super simple and effortless. I'm just taking a small section of my hair in the front and creating a side part, and then I'm just gently tucking some of the twist behind my ear, and that's it. So simple and yet so elegant. This one gives you that soft feminine vibe, perfect for casual days or when you just don't want to do too much. You can even add a little edge control to your baby hairs to make it neater. Alright, moving on to style number 2. We're taking things up a notch, literally. For this one, I'm leaving out 2 twists on each side at the front. These will frame my face beautifully. Then for the rest of the twists, I'm gathering them up into a high bun. And I'm going to use a scrunchie to secure it. You can use a satin or elastic band depending on what you prefer. And that's all about it. We have a high bun with face framing twist. I love this style because it gives you that clean, elegant look while still showing off your length and texture. It's perfect for a date night or when you just want to look effortlessly chic. You can even add some statement earrings to complete this look. Next up, we've got style number 3. This is a classy low bun with flat twist in the front. So for this look, I'm sectioning off a small portion of hair at the front. Then I'm doing a flat twist going backward, nice and neat all the way to the end. And once that is done, I'm gathering all my hair, including the twisted section, into a low bun. After that, I'm going to secure it with a scrunchie and tuck in any loose ends. Now for the fun part, accessorizing. I'm using these beautiful white pins I got recently. I think I used about 5 of them, and I'm just placing them along the twisted section. And look at that, simple, elegant, and so professional. This style is perfect for work, for church, or any occasion where you want to just look polished but still natural. Alright, now for style number 4, I'm going for a cute casual look. I'm leaving a small section of hair at the front, just enough to frame the face, and then I'm using a headband to secure the rest of the hair at the back. The twists flow freely at the back, giving you a volume and movement. This is a great go-to for lazy days, errands, and even when you're heading to class or work and need something cute but super quick. Now for the next style, I'm starting by parting out a small section in the front, and I'm going to deal with that later. Then I divide the rest of my hair into 2 equal sections. I'm tying each section into a bun using scrunchies, one on the left and then the other one on the right. These double buns are so fun and give a youthful look. Now back to the small front section that I'd left earlier. I'm simply pinning it backward using a bobby pin so it blends nicely with the rest of the style. To finish it off, I add a yellow flower accessory, and honestly this just takes it from cute to super stunning. This style is perfect for spring, summer outings, or even festivals. It's giving natural, playful and creative energy. Now for style number 6, we're keeping things easy and classic. I'm using a headband again, this time to just push my hair back from the face. It's simple, clean and shows off all my facial features, plus the twist flow freely, giving you that effortless natural vibe. So if you're into minimal styling, this one is definitely for you. It's quick and perfect for gym days, casual outings, or days that you want your hair out of your face. And finally, for style number 7, this is just like 2 mini buns in the front, and then the rest is going to be my twist flowing freely. So I take a small section at the front on each side, and then I tie it with a scrunchie into 2 cute buns. After that, I let the 2 twists in front fall freely. They frame the face beautifully and soften the look. This style is super cute for everyday wear, whether you're going out, staying home, or heading for work. It's effortless but still gives that put together feel. And that's basically it. 7 beautiful, simple and versatile ways to style your mini twist. I'm going to do a part 2 of this because I had lots of styles and I didn't want the video to be too long. So let me know in the comments for these first 7 styles, which one was your favorite. I honestly can't pick, but I think I'm loving the low band with the accessories the most today. Don't forget to like, to subscribe if you haven't, and share this video with someone who loves natural hairstyles or mini twist hairstyles or anything about natural hair care. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.